Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the wild world of consumer products so you don't end up buying something that'll just collect dust in your garage. Today, we're diving into the resin-filled, layer-tastic universe of 3D printers. On the left, we have the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2. Let's call it Photon Mono 2 for short. And on the right, the ANYCUBIC 4K Plus Resin 3D printer, which we'll simply dub the 4K Plus. Buckle up because this is going to be a print-off for the ages. Alright, let's start with the price. Photon Mono 2 is coming in hot at $239. Meanwhile, the 4K Plus is slightly cheaper at $229. Now $10 might not seem like a lot, but hey, that's a whole latte with extra whipped cream and caramel drizzle. So if you're pinching pennies, the 4K Plus is already ahead by a sip. Next up, let's talk screens. Both of these bad boys are rocking a 6.6-inch monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 4096 by 2560. That's high def enough to see the pores on your miniatures. So they're neck and neck here. But let's not forget, with this kind of resolution, you can print yourself a new pair of eyes if you ever lose your glasses. Now, on to build volume. Photon Mono 2 has a build volume of 165 by 143 by 89 millimeters. The 4K Plus claims a similar 143 by 89 by 165 millimeters. Wait a minute, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Did ANYCUBIC use a copy-paste job here? It's like they're twins separated at birth. Regardless, both printers give you ample space to print your wildest dreams, or at least a decent-sized action figure. Both printers boast an upgraded light turbo matrix. That's a fancy way of saying they've got a stable and uniform light source, reducing layer lines and eliminating grid lines. Translation: your prints are going to be smoother than a baby's bottom. No clear winner here either, folks. It's like watching two clones fight in a mirror. Now, let's talk about the printing success rate. Photon Mono 2 features a laser-engraved platform that promises excellent flatness and increased model adhesion. The 4K Plus also boasts a laser-engraved build plate, so both are pretty much promising that your model won't fall off mid-print like a cat from a slippery windowsill. Try again. Finally, slicing software. Both come with ANYCUBIC's newly self-developed Photon Workshop 3.0 slicing software. They've got all of the bells and whistles: slicing, punching, support adding, shells extracting, model arrangement, and even model repair. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your 3D printing needs. But let's be real, you'll probably spend more time tinkering with settings than actually printing. Reviewers have praised the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 for its ease of use, quiet operation, and detailed prints. Many find it to be a sturdy and reliable choice, especially for those new to 3D printing. On the other hand, the ANYCUBIC 4K Plus Resin 3D printer receives high marks for its print quality and detail, particularly for miniatures and scaled-up models. However, some users have faced initial setup challenges and recommend using third-party slicers for better support management. So, there you have it. The Photon Mono 2 and the 4K Plus are like two peas in a pod, or should I say, two layers in a print. They're almost identical in every way, from their price to their features. If we had to pick a winner, well, we can't. It's a tie, folks. Choose either one and you'll be a happy printer. Just remember, the real winner here is you, because now you're armed with the knowledge to buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode. Drop a comment below on which product comparison you want to see next. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.